pieces. All right, let's keep going.
Find out which fraction is less, 1/6 or 1/4.
1/6 or 1/4.
What is important to know before you compare fractions?
So what is important to know before we compare the fractions at our rotation? Not quite. We're trying to figure out, like, what do we need to know before we can even compare the two? Okay? The big thing that we need to know is that they're the same size. They're the same size. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Now, if we're standing side by side, right? And they're gonna be like, man, Mr. Green looks short. All right. Are we the same size? Are we the same size? Can we compare us? Well, can we compare us now? Are we the same size now? No. Okay. What about now? Are we the same size? About the same size? How about now? Okay, so we can compare us now because we're even, right? It's the same thing here. We have to make sure that both of these are a whole. Okay, thank you. We have to make sure both of these are a whole.
You need to be sure that the size of the whole is the same. How can you find 1/6 of the scarf? You can use fraction strips.
So now we're switching from the scarf to our fraction strips so that we can physically see the changes, okay?
Divide the whole scarf into 6 equal parts. One of those parts is 1/6. How can you find 1/4 of the scarf?
Okay, wait, I have another question though. So 1/6 is called a what kind of fraction? Sadie, a unit fraction because it is one part of the fraction, correct? So we saw that they split it into 6, right? And they brought down 1/6, which is a unit fraction. Let's see how we could find 1/4 of the scarf.
Divide the whole scarf into 4 equal parts. One of those parts is 1/4. Compare the fraction strips. 1/6 is less than 1/4. If two fractions have the same numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is less than the other fraction.
All right, so yesterday, right? Yesterday, we were comparing fractions with the same denominator. And we said, as long as they have the same denominator, all we need to do is look at our numerators to be able to tell which one's bigger, right? Right? Can I get a thumbs up? That's what we talked about, right? Okay, so today they're saying if two fractions have the same numerator, which is 1 and 1, right? It says the fraction with the greater denominator is less than the other fraction. Okay, so let's do another example. You ready? Eyes over here. So if I have 2 55ths, that's a big fraction, right? That's a huge fraction. Okay, and then I have 2 thirds. Okay, how are we going to know which one's bigger? Wait, hands. Okay, Molly, talk to me. Because the denominator is bigger, right? Yeah. So, which fraction is bigger then? 2/3. I heard a lot of 2/3. I hear a lot of 2/3. Ryan, I heard 2/3 from you first. Why did you say 2/3?
Because the denominator is smaller, so the pieces are bigger.
Exactly. So the denominator is smaller, and so the numerator is taking more of the whole. Sammy, can you move over here for me? Just right here, really quickly. Thank you, boss. I really appreciate that. You're helping me out a lot. I appreciate it. appreciate that. All right, but I still need your attention. Good? We good, Samantha? Hey, we good? We good? Everybody needs a bubble space, that's okay. So, Logan, look at me. So what is our rule? You can read it, that's fine. Boom! There it is. If two fractions have the same numerator, which is the top number, right? The fraction with the greater bottom number, the denominator, is less than the other fraction. Yes. All right, so. No, that wasn't close. I'll work on it. I'll work on it, and then like I'm gonna practice at home, and then I'll come back and show you how to do it. All right. Everybody stand up. Go back to the desk. And when you get to your desk, I want you to give me 5 of these right here.
Oh yeah. I got that.
Yeah. Real quick. Real quick.
One, two, 3, 4, 5. I can just keep jumping.